All right, so you want to know how to remove the background from an image without Photoshop the quick and easy way. You're in the right place. We're not gonna waste any time. Hit like, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. All right, so I'm gonna show you two quick and easy tools. We're gonna make this as easy as possible here in this tutorial. The first of which is Remove.bg. So just go to Remove.bg. I will link to it in the video description down below. And it's really cool because you go to Remove.bg, click upload image. I have this picture of me that has a background. You can see I've already done it to show you, but here we go. I just upload it. It's gonna calculate real quick and then remove the background, and boom, you can download this file, and it's a transparent PNG, so there is no background. It's just me. It's removing from the background really cleanly. Remove.bg. The second tool is everybody's favorite simple graphic editor online. It's Canva. So whether you want a transparent background, you're trying to pull yourself or a person out from the background for a Facebook ad or for a social media image or whatever it may be, maybe for your website, you can just go ahead and hit create design. Let's say we are doing it for a Facebook ad. So it's going to create a new Facebook ad template, and I'm going to go into my uploads, and you can see I've got this same picture which has me with a background, and I want to remove the background because I just want to use a picture of me in my Facebook ad. Well, it's very simple. You just click the image, click effects, and use the background remover. So it's going to take a few seconds. It's going to calculate what is the subject, what is the person, what is the background, how do we remove that person from the background. And when it's done, you will see we have a very clean version of me without a background. And there it is. So now I can move it around. I can create a Facebook ad graphic out of this. I can put text in front of or behind me, make it look really cool. So those are two very easy ways to remove the background from images without using Photoshop.